Once a little bird lived in a forest. She was very wise and intelligent. One day she saw a bird catcher coming in the forest. The bird catcher started setting up a trap upon the meadow. At first, the bird kept watching him doing that strange job. Then, out of curiosity, she asked him what was he doing. I am building a new colony for birds, the bird catcher replied. But the bird was wise and it knew what he was really doing. The bird then threw a small rock at the trap, which instantly closed. What a nice fellow you are, said the bird. If this is the kind of colony you build, you won't find many residents stealing here. And it flew away. Moral of the story: it is wise to stay away from a colony made by cruel men. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.